Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer USDT from your spot wallet to your funding wallet on Bitget in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your funds quickly and securely. Bitget is one of the top exchanges out there, and understanding how to manage your assets is key to making the most of it. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Bitget account. If you haven't already, head to the Bitget website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. It's usually at the top menu or on the dashboard. Here, you'll see different wallet types like spot and funding. Next, select your spot wallet. This is where your trading funds are held. Look for USDT in your asset list. It's the stablecoin we're transferring. Click on it to open the details. Now, find the Transfer or Internal Transfer button. This is crucial because we're moving assets within the same exchange, so no external fees or risks involved. Once you click Transfer, you'll be prompted to choose the destination wallet. Select Funding from the options. The funding wallet is typically used for features like futures trading or earning interest, so this move can open up new opportunities. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid mistakes. Bitget might show you any applicable fees or minimum limits, so keep an eye on that. After entering the details, hit Confirm and verify the transaction with any required security measures, like two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection. Once approved, your USDT should appear in your funding wallet almost instantly. Exchanges like Bitget are pretty fast with internal transfers. A quick tip: always check your balances after the transfer to ensure everything went smoothly. And remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so only transfer what you need. If you're new to Bitget, consider exploring their other features like staking or trading bots once you're comfortable. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from spot to funding on Bitget in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, and it can really enhance your trading strategy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.